Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Toyota CHR door panel. Start by rolling the window up and removing the small trim pieces around the handle and armrest. Use a trim pry to gently unclip the lower panel edge, then remove screws hidden in the handle recess and behind the speaker cover. Keep track of clips and screws in a tray and label connectors as you disconnect them to make reassembly easy and stress-free. Start by removing visible screws in the handle and armrest area, then pop off any small trim caps. Work a trim pry along the bottom to disengage clips, moving slowly to avoid breaking them. Once clips are released, lift the panel upward off the window ledge to free it from the door. Support the panel with one hand and reach behind to disconnect electrical connectors and the door latch cable carefully before fully removing the panel. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy car tutorials. Quick recommendation: life is too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect after a long afternoon fixing a door panel. I put a link in the description so you can check current deals and options. Enjoy better socks, then grab your tools, and now let's get back to the video. When reassembling, reconnect wiring harnesses and test switches before snapping the panel back into place. Align the panel with the window ledge and press firmly to seat all clips, then reinstall screws in the reverse order you removed them. Inspect weather seals for proper placement to prevent wind noise. Replace any damaged clips and double-check that the door handle and lock operate smoothly before finishing so you are confident the job is complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.